Hello, welcome to Wally Bar. And yes, I'm going to talk about my Metabo DH330 thickness planer. And I've already done a few videos on this sort of planer, pretty much like unboxings and what have you, and a couple of problems I found with the cutter block. And I just found another little problem with this machine. Now, on the whole, it's pretty good. There ain't a huge amount of problems with it, to be honest. So, I quite like it, apart from the knives. The knives are awful. But somebody sent me a message saying that it's down to these tables being out of alignment. Well, I don't buy that, and I've checked that it's perfectly in line, and also so is the little depth gauge. Now, the problem I get with the cutter block, as you probably already know, is chippings get caught behind the knives, and it bends the actual clamp that holds the knives too. I think the only solution to that would be to make new clamps to hold the knives rigid, one that doesn't bend. But that's not what this video is about. It's another little issue I found, and that is with the dust extraction port. I don't know if you found the same problem as I have, but it is this thing. This plastic dust extraction hose thingy, attachment port thing, it's just plastic. Fair enough. Not a huge problem if you're just using one of them little vacuum cleaner type dust extractors. But when you're using an extraction system like mine, and you're using these heavy old pipes, such as these things, they're big flexibles, they put a bit of force on here. So ideally you need a way of actually supporting this while it's attached to the machine. And that's all very well, but when you move the machine about as well, it tugs and pulls. Now, because this is a plastic moulding, when it gets hot, and we've had some pretty high temperatures we had some pretty high temperatures here in France, and it gets soft. And no matter how tight you tighten the screws, such as these ones here, that one there, and that one there, and these at the bottom, two like thumb screw things you can hardly get your fingers into, which is also a bit of a pain in the neck. And also, I haven't got it on at the moment, so I just put it on there to show you. But what happens is you tug and pull on that, and then the port falls off. Ain't very helpful, is it? No. So, basically, I've decided I'm going to buy another planer. Yes, I've decided that, well, one came up locally, and it's an old Multico TH1, and it's a stationary machine. It's not a site planer. Oh, site thicknesser like these. So this thing's portable, obviously. You can take it places. This other machine, you can't. So I'm going to relegate that one for my site work, and I'm going to use the Multico TH1, which is a single phase 12-inch. It's quite old planer. I might do a video on that later. But this particular machine, it is good, but it does have a few little things that are really a bit niggly, to be honest. I didn't really kind of expect the dust extraction port to keep falling off every time you wiggle it about or push a bit of wood through, and all of a sudden it's on the floor. No matter how tight you tighten these up, even with the washers in the right places and what have you, it isn't really designed for the 4-inch type, even though it fits. The 4-inch dust extraction hose. It's a bit heavy for it. You really want really much more flexible. You might be better off with I don't know, let's say using something like tumble dryer hose. The extraction port and a tumble dryer. That sort of thing, a bit more flexible. It won't last 5 minutes, but it will work. You just got to bear in mind you have to keep replacing the thing. So that's my little niggly problem I've got with my Metabo DH330. And it's a good machine, as you probably already know, but it has a few little hiccups. But there you go, that's life, innit? So anyway, I hope you liked my little video, and I'm very sorry I haven't been uploading many videos of late, but I keep going on holiday. I went on a motorcycle holiday through Stelvio Pass. And yesterday I came back from another holiday because I felt guilty and thought about taking the missus out, and we've been in the motorhome. So anyway, thanks for watching, and if you guys give us a like and subscribe, and maybe click the little bell icon, because then you get a warm, fuzzy feeling in your pocket, and that'll be me uploading another video. Anyway, thank you for watching.